Unleashing the track, teenage trice, it's viral. Shirt tapping style, tempo